first, we'll take a look at that beautiful backdoor cut and pass, that zoom action, as you mentioned. Davion Mitchell getting the pass from De'Aaron Fox, and then Keon Ellis stepping up for the three. But I want to get...
First couple of times down the court, just moving the red jerseys. But Kelly Oubre Jr. got nothing when he ran right into Ivica Zubac. Number 9, Terry Rozier was brought to Miami to create offense, and is this ever creative? The handles high off the glass to beat the buzzer, and a blowout win. Number 8, to Detroit, Jose Alvarado to Zion.
Nangaliyok yan. Kay si Williamson. Grabe.
The alley-oop. That takes us to number 7 and to Minnesota. Mike Conley,
Ankle breaker.
just left Brandon Podziemski in his dust.
Latag si Podziemski. May tira ng tres, oh. Boom.
Back to LA for number 6. Austin Reeves.
Dikit.
With a chase down block on Aaron Nesmith.
Dikit siya kay AR.
To number 5, same floor, same game.
Halimaw dunk. Wow.
Spinning and slamming.
Boom.
He had a big night. Number 4. Everybody had a big night for the Bucks.
Aliyop. Patay na naman kay Dunk. Kay Giannis. Oh, bumalik na si Middleton ah. Tagal na wala niya na. Wow, what an assist. Galing na assist ni Reeves, oh. Patalikod. Boom! Ito. Paul George. Pow! Patay kay Aubrey. Niyoyoyo pa kasi. Binibaby pa eh. Oh, huli ka. Alam mo ha. Yan. Puta nga. Dalawang latag oh. Kahapon yan eh. Grabe naman yun. Pascal Siakam. Lupit. Boom. Top dunks of the week. Aliyop kay Victor Wembanyama. Grabe. Tapal. Sabay yun o. Aliyop po. Galing kay Basel. Yan. Grabe naman. Grabe naman dunk yan. Ginabila pa. Yun ang malakas. From outside. Biglang kumat. Anthony Edwards pala yun. Kalimo. Yun! Kay Holmgren. Grabe. Tagilid boss. Dunk. Sama lolo ah. Number 5. Steal. Atay kay William Siamson. Ay, Zion Williamson pala. Galing. Lapad eh. Number 4 na. Bang! Grabe naman on your face. Kay Hunter. Si Hunter ba yan? Number 3 na tayo. Galing kay Holmgren na naman. Alley-oop. Ayan. Cam Johnson. Wow, harap-harapan kay Reeves. Bumuka ka pa parang Michael Jordan ah. Oh. Di ba? Ang galing. Ayan. Anthony Edwards. Tama, halimaw ka talaga tumalon. Taas kasi ng vertical niyan. Grabe yan. Anthony Edwards. Buwis buhay. Kay John Collins, oh. Nag-ibay naman dunk na yun.